Hello and welcome to another video tutorial. In today's video, we are going to create an ink drop slideshow video using Filmora X. So let's get started. Import your media files by selecting all files and click open. Add the background videos to the timeline, that is video 1, video 2 and video 3. Next, let's change the duration of each video to 10 seconds. You can either select all videos at once, right click and select speed and duration. Once you have done that, let's also slightly lower the color effect in the background video 1. Click on colors, set the threshold at 10 and the value at 10, and then press OK. Now let's also bring the ink drop ovary on top of each background video. Change and adjust the duration of the ink drop ovary on the timeline. Then right click and select screen under compositing. Once done, copy and paste the ink drop ovary on the rest of the background videos. Then let's bring the lensflare video on the timeline. Set the lensflare video to screen under compositing. Let's also reduce the speed of the lensflare video to 0.5 slow. Then copy and paste the lensflare video on top of each background video after adjusting the video's duration. Next, let's add the text to the video. Go to Titles option and click on Titles. At 1 second and 9 frames, add the default title on the timeline. Right click on the text and choose Properties. Change the color of the title to maroon. Then type the title to Ink Drop Slideshow. Set the text space to -34 and the line space to 8. And also change the font to Canberra Brown. Once done, select the ink drop text, reduce the font size to 36 and 68 for the slideshow. Scale down the text to 45 and place it at -111 on the y-axis and -94 on the x-axis. Once done, click on Advanced, go to Animations and select Skew Right Split. Adjust the duration of the animation and press OK. Then copy and paste the text on each background video and edit its position according to your preference. Now edit the text and change its position. Next, we add effects on the video. Go to Effects, search for Bokeh Blur tool and Extremely Dirty Effect, and then press them on the timeline. Let's also add the sound effect transition. Add it on the timeline. Adjust the volume of the sound effect to 12. Then copy and paste it between videos. Also, let's add the audio to the timeline. Once everything is done, render and preview the video.